Today, we'll cover 3 key moments: how police identified Antonio Burton, the dangerous high-speed chase involving Antonio Burton, what happened after Antonio Burton's arrest.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! You're gonna get shot! Stand the ground! Stand the ground! 23, dispatch 1 in custody. What do you gotta do all that? Yeah, how many more what? Talking about me. Stupid. Stupid. You know how many people you could have killed? Killed doing what? Running. Yeah, how about you stand the f*** up? I'm telling you, ain't got to. What's the name? Don't be stupid. Don't talk to me. Don't be stupid. What? You ain't did it though. Then why'd you run? Right here because y'all was on me. Oh, for no reason. Hell yeah, that's a great reason. Oh, that hoe ass.
This video is based on footage provided by the Midwest Safety Channel. Please check the description below, visit their channel, and give them full credit for this content. On January 1st, 2024, at 5:07 in the morning, a 911 dispatcher typed 6 words into an official police log: male chasing female, attempted to run over. That single line, buried in a public police record, is the reason a man is sitting in a Michigan prison cell today. Picture this: a gas station parking lot.
At a BP gas station just outside Detroit, Michigan, a woman suddenly jumps out and runs, with the man from the driver's seat chasing after her around the car. As their argument escalates, he jumps back into the driver's seat while she moves toward the store, before stepping on the gas and driving the car straight at her. She barely escapes into the store, being missed by inches. The suspect exits the vehicle and runs inside after her. Now the victim is in a fight for her life, and moments away from being abducted. That's when the clerk secretly calls 911.
Empty, except for one car. A woman running for her life, and a car engine roaring straight at her. That image, a 2-ton weapon aimed at a human being, is the entire story in one frame. This isn't a traffic stop gone wrong. This is a man who turned his car into a weapon, in public, on camera. Before we go deeper into what the police records actually show, make sure you're subscribed to Police Misconduct Case, because we don't just cover the story, we follow the evidence. Here's what the public record says happened next. A gas station clerk, watching this unfold, picked up the phone and made a call that likely saved a life. Michigan law calls this attempted murder and felonious assault. But let's translate that into plain English. It means he tried to kill her and he used his car to do it. Detroit area police got the plate number: a Chevrolet Camry driven by 33-year-old Antonio Burton.
Edward Paul, 9070. Can be southbound, Gresham, speed 70, 36 Still southbound, Gresham, 8 miles, speed 105. Through 8 miles. Speed 107, traffic. Copy, Lower River. Still southbound, Gresham, Linwood. Distance regarded to red light. And we listen. Speed 110, okay. Alright, looks like we're gonna be going in. Westbound, on St. Patrick. Speed 25. Gonna be going now, southbound, Bradford. Southbound, Western, speed 25. Eastbound, Finley. Speed 30, okay. Northbound, Bradford. Speed 15, okay. Eastbound, Woodward. Speed 40, okay.
MCL 257.602A, fleeing and eluding. If a police officer lawfully signals a driver to stop and the driver knowingly refuses to stop and intentionally flees or attempts to elude the police, it can constitute the offense of fleeing and eluding. This offense can be classified as a fourth, third, second, or first-degree felony, depending on the circumstances. Fourth degree, up to 2 years in prison. Third degree, up to 5 years in prison. Second degree, up to 10 years in prison in certain serious injury circumstances. First degree, up to 15 years in prison if the fleeing results in the death of another person.
Northbound drifting. Westbound Finley. Speeds 30. Northbound Devon. Speeds 45. No drop. Keep slowing down. Just right. Stop sign at handbrake. The westbound Burley. Westbound Nicholas. Speed 60. No drop. Disregarded red light at Kingston. Southbound Canterbury. Eastbound 7. Speed 16, no trip. Disregarded red light express. Speed 90, no trip. Regression. Speed 70, no trip.
And then the story shifts from parking lot to highway, from assault to chase. Ask yourself this: what does a man run from if he knows the cameras are already rolling? Because that's exactly what happened. Speeds climbing past 100 miles an hour. Red lights ignored. A police helicopter tracking from above. This wasn't a drive to safety. This was a decision made in real time to outrun consequence itself. That's your ticking clock. Every second he stayed on the gas pedal was a second closer to someone else getting hurt. A pedestrian, another driver, a child in a crosswalk. High-speed pursuits are, statistically, some of the most dangerous events in American policing. The public record shows officers slowing at intersections, calling out no traffic before proceeding. A small detail, but an important one. It shows restraint, not recklessness. The chase ended on a road.
Bellow out, bellow out. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! You're gonna get shot up! Stand the ground! Stand the ground! 23, this by 20 custody. What do you gotta do all that? Yeah, how many more what? Talking about this yeah. Stupid. Stupid. You know how many people you could have killed? Killed doing what? Running. How about you stand the f*** up? I'm telling you, you ain't got to. What's the name? Don't be stupid. Don't talk to me. Don't be stupid. What? You ain't did it though. Then why'd you run? Right here because y'all was on me. Oh, for no reason. Hell yeah, that's a great reason. Oh, that whole ass. That whole shit is landed you in jail. Okay. With a felony charge. Multiple. Good luck. Multiple what? Ain't did. That was on me. Where's the cargo? Dispatch. The passenger, I think. What the whole way? Car's gone. Get in. I know how much money I got. No, pull my shit in. You don't pull my shit out. No, you gotta take I
I didn't do nothing, he told officers. I got assaulted. The court record tells a different story. You could have killed her. That's not a line from a script. It's a quote from the arresting officer, spoken in the moment of arrest, and it is the moral center of this entire case. You could have killed her.
No, that's my sister right there. I know how much money everything got there.
120, 123 is going to be about 3 blocks west of your location.
I see him. Ooh, we got 2 idiots. Oh, we got your boy. Yeah, whoever took the car. 23's out with Detroit. What's up, man?
Is this the one that you
Yeah. Yep.
This ain't me.
Yeah, it is.
I got assaulted at East Park. Why you guys?
So why'd you take off when he got
I
out of
didn't
the car
take
running?
off. I wasn't driving.
Right. So why'd you take the car after
I was
he
going
bailed
back to
out?
my mama.
Burton was taken into custody. And here is where the official record gets interesting, because what he said next didn't match what the evidence showed.
Right here because I was on.
Oh,
For no reason. Hell yeah, that's a great reason. Oh, that hoe ass.
You in jail.
Okay.
With a felony charge.
Multiple. Good luck. Multiple what? And then that was on me.
Where'd the car go?
Dispatch, the passenger, I think.
What that hoe ass.
Driver. Car's gone.
Get in.
I know how much money I got. No, pull my shit out here. You don't pull my shit out. No, you gotta take I carry.
Important. Driving over 100 miles per hour, ignoring red lights, and being tracked by a police helicopter are not, by themselves, the core elements of this statute. The key legal issue is whether the driver willfully ignored a lawful police signal to stop and fled or attempted to elude the officer.
House. What you mean? I got assaulted. Go watch
Right.
the cameras.
You called us?
I didn't call you. I got assaulted. Okay. I called my mama. My phone is still at the gas station. What do you mean?
You're not understanding.
You not understand what I'm saying? Okay. I got assaulted.
He bailed out on the street over,
yes.
right?
Yes.
You chose to take the car and go.
Take off to my mother's house.
All right. She's the victim of the initial FA.
What you mean? Y'all got me in handcuffs and I got assaulted.
Hey, firm, the female victim is in the vehicle. She was the driver that took the car after.
I just got stumped out. Go watch the cameras.
Burton was charged with kidnapping, assault with intent to murder, felonious assault, fleeing and eluding, and malicious destruction of property.
Going to watch the cameras till you
Go
started to
get
flee.
my phone.
I ain't going to get nothing.
Come on.
I ain't going to get nothing. So we're going to take the car.
That's fine.
We'll take
Can y'all call my mama?
we'll-
Can you call my mama, please?
Right,
I had
so
no
when we get
phones
back-
at the gas station.
It's closer to call her from the station because it's right down the road. So we'll take you to the station, call your mom, you grab your phone from the gas station and go back to wherever
Can y'all
you
take me
need
to go get my phone?
Yes, we're taking you back to
Okay.
the station. It's across the street.
That's fine. I need some shoes too.
Where are your shoes at?
They in the car. I got to. They probably at the gas station. I got to beat the so I don't know.
All right. Turn around. I'll switch you over. No, so I'll just take her to the station, have her mom pick her up.
Water.
I'll put you in that car so you don't gotta stand around. Yeah, more paperwork. I'm sorry.
You're taking her for
Don't worry about her. Just worry about yourself right now.
I did what I did.
Could have just talked to us
I'm
instead.
about to die, man. I can't breathe, man. I'm about to pass.
You could have killed her. 3 words the arresting officer said in anger. 3 words that, on public record, turned out to be the truest sentence of the entire case. So here's what we're leaving you with. The full case file, including the original charges, the plea agreement, and the sentencing order, is publicly available through Michigan's court record system under Burton's case number. We're not going to tell you what to think about the gap between kidnapping and fleeing and eluding. We want to know what you think. Does a plea deal like this deliver justice? Or does it let the original harm disappear from the record? Tell us in the comments.
What's up?
Oh, you're fine.
Man, I swear to God.
Yeah, I'll crack the window for you a little.
No, man.
The suspect, 33-year-old Antonio Burton, was charged with multiple felonies, including kidnapping, assault with intent to murder, felonious assault, and fleeing and eluding, as well as a misdemeanor charge for damage to property. He ultimately pled guilty to felony fleeing and eluding and was sentenced to a maximum of 4 years at Central Michigan Correctional Facility. His maximum release date is January 2030, when he will be 39 years old.
If this case made you think differently about how plea deals actually work, hit like, share this with someone who needs to see it, subscribe to Police Misconduct Case, and turn on notifications, because we follow every case, all the way to the final page of the file.